Relax your abs. There it was.
It works.
Ring dinger.
Oh my god, dude.
How far down did that go?
All the way to the tailbone.
Everybody reacts
Been
differently,
waiting
man.
8 years for that, dude.
8
Or
years.
however long it's been out.
Jeez. All right, man. Just take deep breaths. Keep breathing. Your body's releasing feel-good chemicals right now. Peptides, neurotransmitters, and Keflin's endorphins. You're just gonna feel like a very euphoric, relaxed feeling. How you feeling, Jason?
I'm for sure 6'2" now.
Guys, he walked in at what, 6'1 and a half?
6'1 and an eighth.
6'1 and an eighth, and he is now
6'2".
feeling 6'2.
Maybe 6'3".
Maybe 6'3, man.
Feels
Nice.
great. Thank you.